In this lesson, we are going to show list of products in the React application. By the end of this lesson, you will have list of products like this. And for each product, we have product image, name, price, and add to cart button. To find the code of this lesson, go to this link and click on video 5 list products. Here you will have all code changes in this lesson and you can compare your code with this. Let's get to code. Here is the plan to list products. First of all, we are going to create products array. Go to Explorer and inside frontend, src, right click and create a file, set file name to data.js. What we're gonna do in this file is to create an object to return sample products. Define data as an object and inside that define products as an array. Here I'm going to add 4 products. Let's add the first one. Each product is an object. The first property is the name of product. Set the name to like Nike Slim shirt. Second property is a slug. It's what you see on the URL. So it's gonna be URL friendly, like Nike-Slim shirt. Next one is the category of product. It's in shirts category. The image. For the image, I'm going to set the address. It's in images folder. I'm gonna create it later. And the name of this product is p1.jpg. I let you know the link of this image so you can download it and put it in image folder. Next property is price. Let's make it 120. Content stock is number of this item that we have in the stock. It's 10. The brand is Nike. The rating of this product, it's a number between 1 to 5. Let's make it 4.5. And num reviews from 10 reviews. And the last property for product is description. It's gonna be like high quality shirt. Save the file to format your code. And here, as you see, we created our very first product. I'm going to duplicate this 3 times and change the data like this. This one is second product. The third one is Nike Slim pants. And the last one is Adidas Fit pants. The next step is gonna be creating images folder inside public folder. Right click, new folder, and set folder name to images. The next step is gonna be creating images. I already created them and I just paste them here. The first one, second one, third one, and the last one. The dimensions of images are this. You can make it whatever you like, but I have used 679 by 829. You can download all of these images in the Git repository at this address inside frontend public folder. You will have images here. Great. Let's go for the next step. So far, we created our data.js and we have our images in the public folder. We need to export data. Scroll down at the very end, export default data. Save the file and go to app.js to render it on the screen. Here, I'm going to create a heading 1, get rid of list of products, create heading 1 and set it to featured products. In the next line, it's time to render the products. Inside curly bracket, type data. Here we are getting auto import from data.js. Press tab to import it and get access to the products. Let's close the Explorer. And at this point, we need to use map function. Type .map and convert each product to a JSX. Inside parentheses, we are going to write a JSX, create a div, and inside div, create an image element, set source of image to product dot image, and set alternative text to product dot name. Close the image and go for the next one. Create a paragraph and here show the product dot name. Create another paragraph and inside that show product dot price. Save the file and open your terminal. Make sure that you are in front-end folder and npm start is running. If you already have it running, there is no need to run this command and you just need to go to this address on your browser to get list of all products. Great. Here we created the products and we just need to style them. Before going for style, let's fix an error. If you go to the browser and go to the developer tools, in the console, you will have this error. It says each child in a list should have a unique key. To fix this error, go to the map function and the very first element right after map, set attribute key to a unique value. Here, product.slug is unique. Save it and refresh. This time there is no error. At this point, we are going to style the products and show products next to each other. To do that, we need to wrap this whole JSX expression in a parent div. So create a div here and move the closing div right after the expression. Save the file to format your code and set a class for the parent. To set a class, use class name and enter the class name. Here it's products. Also for each item here, set a class name and set it to product. So inside products div, we have product. It's time to add style to products and product. Go to index.css for products, class, set, display to flex. By using flex, we can put items next to each other. For product itself, for each item, set a border to 1 pixel, dark color, and solid. Also for product image inside product, set width to, let's say, 100%. Save it and let's check the result. Nice. Here, as you see, the items are next to each other. Let's add a space between them and make it responsive. Here, set flex wrap to wrap. So if there is no space in a row, new items will be pushed down to the new line. Also for product, create a margin to 1 rem to create a space between items. Max width for images to 400 pixel. Here is the result. And we are going to show them in the center. So here for the product, set justify content to center. So the products here is center aligned. Also for the feature product, I'm going to create a margin for the main. So right before product, set padding to 1 rem. Much better. So also for the items here, I'm going to create a padding, go to app.js and right after image, create a div and wrap the content here inside a div and set it to product info. Copy the class name, go to index.css and after this, for .product info, create a padding like 1 rem. It's much better now. It is responsive. If you open Chrome DevTools, we are getting this error. Let's go to app.js and set class name, not class. Refresh, and there is no error. If you click here, toggle device toolbar, as you see, your items are responsive. Great. Let's add a button for add to cart here. After this, create a button, add to cart. Also, we can link the image to the product details page. Create a link, set href backtick literal / product / inside $ curly bracket enter product.slug and close the link, and then cut the closing tag, move it after anchor and save it. You can do the same for product name. Copy opening and closing and wrap the product name inside the link. For the product price, put a $ before it, and you can make it bold using a strong tag. Define a strong tag, cut the closing tag and move it right after product.price. Save the file and check the result. Much better, huh? Here, product image and product name are linked. So when I click on it, I will be redirected to the product / Nike Slim shirt. But because we didn't implement routing, we see the same result. Great, that's it about this lesson. Let's review what we did. We created data.js inside src folder, and it includes products array with 4 products. Also, we added 4 images for products inside images folder in public folder. In app.js, we created heading 1 to show featured product, and here we created a div and a JSX expression to map each product to a JSX expression to render products on the screen. And in the index.css, we added some classes to render products next to each other on the screen. That's it about this lesson. Until next lesson, bye-bye.